Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to import a Chief Architect file into VORTEK Spaces. We'll show you how to quickly export your Chief Architect designs and get them ready for the preparation stage before your client presentation. To export your project, open the application menu, select Export. Export 3D Collada Model DAE and save your file in your client folder, or in whichever location works best for you. At this point, you're ready to bring your project into VORTEK Spaces. Click on Add New Project. Browse to the folder where your Chief Architect project is saved. Select the DAE you exported earlier, then click Open. In the Project Properties window, you can rename your project or keep the same name as the original DAE file. Click Save to confirm. Your project is now ready to be transformed with real-time visualization. Check out the other tutorials to learn how to apply materials, add 3D accessories, adjust the lighting, and finally render photorealistic pictures and walkthrough videos. Here's a tip. If you need to make changes to your Chief Architect project, there is no need to start over in VORTEK Spaces. Simply update your design in Chief Architect, then export the file again using the same name and the same location. This will overwrite the existing DAE file. VORTEK Spaces will automatically detect the changes and update your design while keeping all your materials, lighting, and scene customizations intact. That concludes our tutorial. Thank you for watching.